Hey there! Are you looking to make your PowerPoint presentations more engaging? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to insert a video into your slides to create a more dynamic experience for your audience. Let's get started! To insert a video in PowerPoint, follow these steps. Open the slide where you want to add the video. Click on the Insert tab in the toolbar. Click Video and then choose this device to insert a video from your computer. Online video. To embed a video from a web source like YouTube, you'll need a link. For an online video, paste the URL and click Insert or Insert Online Video, depending on the power. That's all for this tutorial. Now you can easily insert videos into your PowerPoint slides to make your presentations more engaging. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more tips. See you next time!